one and all, a very warm welcome you all. You are watching The Pepperist and I am Garima. Maintain strict watch. Take preemptive action. Government flags COVID spike in Delhi. 4 states. Health experts said on Monday that the main reasons of increase in COVID cases infection among young children are opening of schools. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan was written a letter to Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Maharashtra and Mizoram regarding the increased positivity rate and cases of coronavirus on Tuesday. One dead, 12 injured after Sri Lanka police opened fire at anti-government protesters. The police has fired tear gas at protesters to scatter them, following which conflicts has erupted for the first time since anti-government protests over an economic crisis in the island nation. The police in Sri Lanka on Tuesday killed one and injured at least 12 people as reported by the news agency AFP, quoting officials. Jahangir Puri violence. 5 accused charged under stringent National Security Act. Jahangir Puri violence. The development comes a day after Union Home Minister Amit Shah directed the Delhi police to take strict action against those involved in the violence. 5 of the accused in the violence that broke out last week in Delhi's Jahangir Puri have been charged under the stringent National Security Act (NSA). ANI reported the NSA allows detention up to a year without any change. UK PM Boris Johnson apologized for MPs in Parliament for breaking COVID rules. Johnson's apology come ahead of crucial House of Commons vote scheduled this week on whether he should be referred for an investigation over his Partygate statement to a Parliament days after being fined for allegedly breaching United Kingdom's COVID norms. Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Tuesday issued an wholehearted apology in Britain Parliament for the attending illegal party during lockdown. News agency AFP reported while making in the apology, Johnson said British public has a right to expect better of their Prime Minister. Kajal Agrawal and Gautam Kitchulu become parents to a baby boy. Kajal Agrawal and her husband Gautam Kitchulu welcomed a baby boy on Tuesday morning. It's raining marriage and babies in Tenshil town. With several television celebrities becoming a parent lately, it is now turned to actress Kajal Agrawal and her husband Gautam Kitchulu to embrace parenthood as the couple welcomed a baby boy on Tuesday morning. Well, connected sources with the industry told IANS that both the mother and the baby were fine. Shah Rukh Khan says, "Aap to mere Santa Claus nikle," as he announces Dunki with Rajkumar Hirani and Taapsee Pannu. Taking to his social media handle on Tuesday, King Khan announced his upcoming movie with the ace director Rajkumar Hirani. Seems like superstar Shah Rukh Khan has back-to-back surprises for his fans. The actor, who already has the audience on the edge with his action thriller Pathaan, is all set to entertain his fans with a social comedy. Taking to his social media handle on Tuesday, King Khan announced his upcoming movie with the ace director Rajkumar Hirani. The film tilted Dunki with film feature Taapsee Pannu as the female lead opposite SRK. IPL 2022. Confused Virat Kohli expressions after getting out for a golden duck goes viral. Virat Kohli confused and puzzled reaction after getting stunned went viral on social media. He registered his IPL duck in 5 years. Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB Virat Kohli's lone patch in ongoing Indian Premier League IPL 2022 continues. The former Bangalore skipper was dismissed for a golden duck during RCB and LSG match at D.Y. Patel Stadium in Mumbai. IPL 2022 RCB and LSG. Hazelwood du Plessis shine as Bangalore beat Lucknow by 18 runs. The Bangalore-based franchisee was of poor start to Sri Lankan pacer Dushmantha Chameera bagged 2 early wickets in the first over to put Lucknow on top. A sensational spell from Aussie speedster Josh Hazelwood following a remarkable half-century from skipper Faf du Plessis powered by Royal Challengers Bangalore to a sensational 18-run win for over Lucknow Super Giants at D.Y. Patil Stadium in Mumbai on Tuesday. Bharti Singh responds to troll on returning to work just after 12 days her son's birth. Many calls Bharti Singh greedy for money while others were skeptical of her to leave such a small baby at home. Bharti Singh is back to work after delivering a baby boy. 12 days after her delivery, the comedian resumed working and was trolled intensely for the same reason. Many called her greedy for money while the other was skeptical about leaving such a small baby at home. Ukraine-Russia war. IMF slashes India FY23 GDP growth forecast sharply to 8.2%. The IMF cited the negative impact of higher oil prices led by the Ukraine-Russia conflicts on domestic consumption and private investment. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) its latest World Economic Outlook report. On Tuesday, the sharply slashes India's growth forecast to 8.2% of FY23 from its earlier estimate of 9% in January, according to news reports. This was one of the steepest cuts for the India compared to the IMF January WEO forecast. This is for today. Thanks for watching us. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Paperist, and hit the bell icon.